Hi guys! Welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making quick cheese bannock, also known as fried bread. Buttermilk into a large bowl, add baking soda, mix it well, add salt and sugar, add 1 egg, whisk it thoroughly. Pour vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil as we did. Sieve the flour and add half of it into the mixture. Whisk it gently and add another half. Make a soft dough. We used homemade buttermilk in this recipe. You can find the link how to make a homemade buttermilk below the video. Turn dough out on a lightly flavored surface and knead gently. Form a ball and divide it into 4 equal parts. Cover it with plastic wrap and set aside to rest. Now it's time to make filling. Grate mozzarella cheese. Mix it with 1 egg. Add fresh chopped green onion, dill, cilantro, salt and pepper to your taste. Roll bannocks. Divide filling into 4 parts and add them into each dough piece. Wrap the filling. Gently press them to form perfectly flat bannock. No oil is needed, so cook it one by one on a dry frying pan at medium heat, about 1.5–2 minutes on each side. Cover the pan with the lid. Once the bannock turns golden brown, turn it on another side. Brush bannocks with melted butter to make them softer. Make a pile by putting them one on top of another. Look at these cheese bannocks. They are tender, very crispy. Enjoy! Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.